Are you feeling overwhelmed by the vast array of tech skills and unsure which one to start with? Don't worry, you're not alone. Let's break down some of the most popular programming languages and their common uses. Web development, JavaScript is the backbone of client-side scripting, while HTML, CSS are essential for building and styling websites. Python has robust web development frameworks like Django used to build Instagram. Mobile app development, Java for Android and Swift for iOS are key languages. Game development, C++ is crucial for game engines like Unreal and Unity. Scripting and automation, Python is perfect for automation, data analysis and machine learning. Database management, SQL, is essential for relational databases like MySQL and Oracle. Machine learning, Python with libraries like TensorFlow and Keras is the go-to language. Choose a tech skill based on your interest and the type of projects or industries you'd love to work in. Stay curious, keep learning, and good luck on your tech journey.